Hey guys, welcome back. You may notice that for this week's taste test, we're in a slightly different room.
These padded walls are actually part of our audio booth because we're trying a very special taste test today.
Chips.
So the important part about chips is not only the way they taste, but also how they crunch.
We have a standard bag of Lay's. These are your basic chips. So these are our sort of our bar. We're gonna try these for some basic crunch level. All right, that's a standard serving size right there. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's like the platonic chip. Very salty, very yummy, very crunchy. All right, now we're gonna try them.
All right. This is so uncomfortable.
That's not how you eat chips?
I hate chewing noises.
This is exactly how I eat chips. Everybody has to be quiet. Shh.
Ooh, it's sweet. Like kettle corn.
I like these because I like popcorn, but I don't like the way that popcorn kernels get stuck in my teeth, and they don't happen with these. I feel like these are
God, I love Fritos.
Fritos, but
Yes.
my sense, I haven't looked at a Frito in a while, but my sense is that it's not super healthy, so I don't know.
Sorry.
I can't imagine that those are actually healthy.
No, no chance. Everything's healthy in moderation.
I can't be moderate. These look like, to me, Sun Chips. I feel like
Ooh.
chip makers do a good
They're
job
like
of like,
barbecue-y, like hickory smoke.
but they almost look like they're fried.
Oh, these taste different. Like they're air popped.
Uh-huh. Again, I wouldn't dip them into anything.
I think they'd be good in French onion. Even though they're barbecue, I could get down with that.
They also don't taste super healthy. I mean, not that you can taste healthy necessarily, but they.
But you can taste unhealthy.
Yes. These look like sour cream and onion to me.
You can
with
see
the
like the little,
flecks.
yeah.
Are we
Why
in-
do they smell lemongrassy to me? That is lemongrass and ginger.
Yeah, it's like a Thai flavored.
I've never had a chip that tasted like that, but I'm not mad. It's got some heat to it though, not for the faint of heart.
This is, we liked the crunch and the flavor
It's the
on
Thai
this.
flavor.
This was, oh, fiery Thai, yeah.
Yeah, we called that lemongrass infused salt. Gosh, we're good.
A serving size is about 13 chips, which is not a ton, but that gets you 140 calories, 7 grams of fat, but only a half gram of sat fat, 160 milligrams of sodium, so not super low, but yeah, that's average. I mean, it's not bad. A gram of added sugar, which is extra impressive because the ingredients is potatoes, almond oil, and then sugars.
And they have kind of like a spicy sweet taste too.
Yeah.
They're really flavorful. They weren't Fritos.
What? They weren't Fritos?
Oh my gosh.
150 calories, 11 grams of fat, but only 1 gram of sat fat, corn, canola oil, sea salt. There's nothing different in the ingredients. They're just organic. 110 milligrams of sodium, so a little lower on sodium. No added sugar. 1 gram of sat fat. It's got 11 grams of fat, and a serving size that's per ounce. A serving size is 1 ounce. So I would still go light on these if you're gonna eat them. But if you love
Top your taco salad.
Fritos and you're looking for a more organic alternative, you can serve these and no one will know.
Barbecue flavored quinoa chia chips.
They're not Sun, are they? Are they Sun?
No, they are, I think, from CVS. Yes, they are from CVS. So you get 1.5 servings per container, 130 calories, 6 grams of fat, only 1 gram of sat fat, 270 milligrams of sodium, which is a little higher than the others.
That's high.
You get a gram of fiber and only 2 grams of sugar and 2 grams of protein as a little bonus. But I kind of love that there's quinoa, that there are quinoa and chia seeds in here.
You don't taste it. I
No,
mean,
no you don't.
they're good. These are the ones that I liked. Popcorners, yep. Even though I really like the Garden of Eden corn chips a lot, I feel like these are still my favorite because you can eat a good amount of these and it's a little healthier. 120 calories, and that's 17 chips per serving, so that's low in calories. Only 4 grams of fat and no sat fat. That's really good. 115 milligrams of sodium, still pretty low. It does include 3 grams of added sugar.
They are sweeter than any chip we tried, though.
Hey, so that's it for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Join us next week when we are going to be trying something else we don't know about yet. Be sure to like us and to subscribe and to get notifications for more of the content, either on YouTube or Facebook. And please tell us in the comments if there's anything that you want to see us try.
Bye.